Yes, it's true. Your cute little drone, your DJI, whatever, could really land you in the poorhouse. How does $100,000 fine grab you? Well, it's not something I want to contend with. I'll tell you what, guys, I have been flying a drone for the better part of, well, perhaps 3 years now. And in that time, the rules and regulations have definitely changed. Why? Because a lot of people are flying drones these days, and they do pose a significant risk to commercial airspace. So I have noticed over the last 3 months or so that the FAA is reaching out to people that do have drone footage on their YouTube channels, and yes, I am one of them, just to give a friendly poke and a reminder that you need to be licensed commercially, yikes, to fly a drone. Specifically, you need to pass the Part 107 of the FAA examination, which is a commercial pilot's license. Yes, and there are courses online to do that. The real stickler is that the FAA has gone back and monitors drone footage to see if it is commercialized. And in some way, I guess this is kind of a moneymaker for the government, because if you're making, according to them, according to what I got, if you're making 1 penny on video drone footage, let's say, for example, the video I shot at the Beverly Hillbillies mansion down in Bel Air near LA, then you need to have a commercial license. And if you do get caught, reported and caught flying that drone, particularly after you've gotten a warning, well, you're liable to fines of $100,000. That's serious business. So this is one reason I haven't been flying a drone for a while, because I have not really had the time yet to sit down, study, and get ready to pass the FAA examination, which I think is about 60 questions and multiple choice questions. It is a proctored examination. You do go to a testing site to take that. This is not online. This is not online testing, okay? They want to make sure that you really know what you're doing before this hits the air, okay? So, yep, my DJI Phantom 4 is gonna be, well, it's gonna be grounded a little bit longer, but I certainly don't need $100,000 fine in my life for flying this. Thanks for watching, everybody. It always pays to stay informed, be up on rules and regulations. I know I appreciate if I go up in a commercial airliner, I don't want to really think that there's a drone flying around the area that could do real mayhem. Hey, your thumbs up are appreciated. Forewarned is forearmed. Make sure your drone doesn't put you in the poorhouse. Thanks, everybody. Thumbs up are appreciated.